Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. In today's video, I'm going to, share my views on the new Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer. So this can be a first impression or it can be a mini review because I have hardly used it. I just bought 1 week back, so a week back, and so I don't really feel what's the difference is going on in my skin now as of now. So it can be a first impression in what I feel about the product and how is the consistency and how I felt after using it for a week. So without any further delay, let's get started. Packaging is something like this. It's a plastic packaging, but is very lightweight, and they do have two sizes, I believe. I have got the 65 grams, and they do have another 120 grams of product. So the 65 grams of product retails for 150 bucks, and this is a range. They have a range of Lakme Peach Milk range. They have a lotion, they have a crumb, and this is a gel formula in that. All these are the moisturizing lotions, crumb, and the gel. So the basic function of this product is moisturizing and keep the skin hydrated, and particularly gives more hydration during winter. So I have used peach milk early in, like, I think in 2000s. My mom was using that peach milk lotion for a daily use. I think like that she was using it for 30 years, and she was very much fond of the product because the light consistency and the fragrance was really awesome. It is so light, so mild, and for me, the peach milk lotion did not really work. The hydration that gave to me, it was very less. I had a very dry skin, so I needed, like, extra moisture. So I was used to Nivea light moisturizer later. I think early in 2010 and something like that. So I started using that. It was very good. It was perfect. And then recently I started using the Pond's Super Light Gel. This is how it looks. I have already reviewed this product in my one of my videos. I can link the I'll give the link in my description box. You can check that out and they have a crumb like this. It's in a light pink and it smells absolutely like the peach milk lotion. There's nothing beyond that. It smells really great, very mild, very soothing, and you will love it. The texture is really too good. It's not a crumb based, it's a gel based, and it just absorbs. It gives that mattifying effect after like a few seconds, and it just absorbs in the skin so well, and it gives like a cooling effect. I have felt that even in Pond's, but I feel this is a little more in the Lakme Peach Milk light gel. So this is what I liked about it. They give a cooling effect after I apply it, and the cons which I felt is it doesn't come with sunscreen. So you have, when you're using it in the daytime, you're supposed to use it, you have to use a sunblock on about this, and it doesn't come with any kind of hyaluronic acid or vitamin E enriched, nothing. I feel like there's no nourishment apart from the hydration. So that's another con which I personally felt, because we want products which multitask. In today's fast world, people don't really have time to applying n number of creams, like one or the other, one about the other, one about the other. I feel like if it's a moisturizer, if it's tinted, and then the sunblock is tinted, and then I think it does most of the work, and then I don't really have to keep applying a number of products on my skin, and it really is a big kind of big procedure. So if I would have liked it with sunscreen and then with enriched with either hyaluronic acid or with vitamin E, I would have really felt more better. Apart from that, I don't think there's any other cons. And as a cream is considered, the consistency and the texture of the cream is really amazing. Yes, you can give this a try. This is well suited for the young skin more than the matured skin, because we need some or the other nourishment apart from moisturizing. So this is like suitable for the young people, college goers, teenagers, who are who really love that really matte, non-greasy kind of consistency product. Then surely this is a good try for you guys. And it's on the very affordable side, and it is Lakme. It's made in India, so they always considered, so I think it really goes well with all the skin types of India. So yes, this is a must try product. If you love Lakme products, then surely you have to try. So that's it about the product. It is a small review. I have been using this product like a week now, so yeah, I'm kind of happy with the texture my skin feels. That I like that cooling and soothing effect as soon as I apply it in the morning. So I usually use a particular kind of face mist before, after I wash my face in the morning, and then I top it up with moisturizer. And then since it doesn't have a sun protection and SPF, I had to go for another sunscreen. So yes, that's it for the morning routine. And yeah, you can always try this. This is in the affordable price, and this is very mattifying, non-greasy formula, and it is from Lakme. It's a very trustworthy and Indian brand, which all of us would love to try out. And yes, that's it about the product. I hope you watched, I hope this review and the first impression on this Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel 24-hour moisture lock moisturizer must have been useful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it is useful for you if you're going ahead and buying this product. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, it's Ziva signing off. Tada, bye bye.